Jake said.
Right. That's the plan. Alright, the usual. Cars and coffee. It's really cold. It's like 40 something degrees out and it's probably gonna rain. But whatever, there's probably gonna be some cool shit here anyway. Cold out. We're gonna go eat something, and then we might still be doing car projects today.
Hell yeah!
All right, boom. We're still doing car projects today. If Brandon will wake up.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
So I forgot to bring my camera in with me, but we're at this place called Legacy Hall in Plano to eat. And it's like an indoor like bar, grill, restaurant, house.
Oh, shit's in the sun.
It's like so much shit in here.
Oh my gosh, it's so drippy.
Look, she gave me 2 forks and she threw
Guys, I have not been uploading as regularly as I wanted to. I guess it's been regular, but it hasn't been quality stuff. It's been me working on the car, which I know y'all don't really care to see. But also, I'm here to blame Fortnite because it's really addictive, and that's what the world's come to at this point. But actually, right now we're waiting on Brandon to get over here. We're gonna do coilovers on his 350Z. If time allows, we're gonna end up getting around to doing gauges on the Ranchero. And then we're gonna go, well, I can't really tell you what we're gonna do, but a long story short, Ryan's ordered a couple things for that little turbo FR-S. He's ordered a couple things for it, and they're gonna be coming in within the next, I guess, 4 to 6 weeks. And in prep for that, we've got to destroy a couple things. And so we may video destroying a couple things here in a little bit as well. It's got a full day, but until everybody gets here, we're just chilling and playing Fortnite. Come on with it. His sway arm end links are kind of snapped. Kind of snapped. Yeah, check this shit out. Look at that. That's supposed to be here. So we've got to run and get new end links while Ryan and Tito put coilovers on. But we've got a challenge to see if we can't get there and get back in the time it takes them to install these, and hopefully have them adjusted. Maybe that's pushing it though. But I will say, yeah, that's the deal. We'll be back in a minute. All right, so we're getting pretty far along here. We made it back before they got everything on because we know we're pretty much winners here. But while we're taking care of some of the smaller things, I'm gonna try and make this bumper fit. Look at it right now. Finished my project. They're adjusting the coilovers. Look at this bumper and how it fits now. All I had to do was hammer out a bracket to straighten it back out. Use the other side to kind of like match up the angles and everything. And that's it. And let's check in on them. Alright, so the coilovers are almost done. We've got a lot of food to grill up. They're just getting everything attached. Holy shit, that's going to be low.
Dude, I think it's going to hit like all this shit right here.
Holy crap, that's going to be low as shit. But they're going to finish that up. I'm about to go start grilling. And I think Haley's going to do most of the inside kitchen work. And then we're going to have some badass food. Burgers flipped and ready. I think they're about to put the car on the ground. So I'm kind of really wanting to get over here and see this.
Yeah, it's sitting low on the back now.
Oh, that looks good.
Alright, so they got the coilovers all on. Now they're just going through making the final adjustments because he doesn't want to be very low.
Yeah, the 25 millimeters is 1 inch, so like, that's an inch.
Explain that to my girlfriend.
Huh?
Hit us with that cold start.
Why are you driving?
Ew.
We good? Come on. That way.
Yo, look how the back looks, man.
That looks good.
Amber?
You want me to leave it on or turn it off?
Oh, you can turn it off. I don't have no gas.
Oh.
I don't have no gas. I literally waited so like... Is the light on though?
Is the light on though?
It was like on E.
Alright, so here's a little pro tip for you. If you ever decide to change like your tow arms, your coilovers, control arms, and all this stuff all in one day, try your best to see if you can't get an alignment done. I'll walk out here and show you guys why. So after we did this yesterday, we got it all back on the ground. We looked, and the toe is off. The toe is how much your tire is like in or out, and it sits really good. You just gotta give them some spacers. But as you can see, this back wheel is just a hair tucked in the rear, and so the tire itself is sitting like this instead of like this. And it's like that on both sides. It's such a little detail, but it will cause your whole car to feel like crap. Luckily, Brennan ended up calling Geo's, which is here locally. We'll show you that when we get there. And they told him that they would get him in today. So they're definitely coming in clutch with the alignment last minute. So everybody's on their way over here in a minute, and then we're gonna knock that out. And then I don't know what's next. I think I'm gonna be nice and whip up a good breakfast, starting with bacon and some eggs and some coffee. Simple, delicious. Thought you can see it better in the daylight.
It's Geo's tire shop, right?
Yeah.
I just want to get a cold start real quick. And it does look really good though. Well, Tito's actually gonna limp the car over there for Brandon because he doesn't want to drive it. And so I'm following Tito behind there. We're hoping we can get it over there just fine, and we'll go from there. We'll see. So now that we're done with 1Z, we've already pulled in Tito Z because we're going to lower it back to where it was, or raise it back, I guess, to where it was. So we got Tito and my brother Zach back there working on that. While I'm over here letting my truck air out so I can give it an oil change here in a minute. And I'm cleaning up the massive mess that I made while putting my car all together. So we're going to try and organize the shop so we can run like a full-time 350, 370Z shop going on out here apparently.
Because that's all you're working.
Yeah, that's apparently like all we work on anymore. Let's just bring Dylan's in here one weekend so we can get it done too.
We got the Ranchero Z. We got the
Yeah, right?
350 Z, and we got the 370.
We got the Ranchismo out there. We've got the...
That sounds good.
So we all kind of got really busy doing what we were doing. And, yeah, everybody's just really tired. We cleaned up the garage a lot. It's a work in progress. We still got a lot more to do out here. Got the car back inside in here. Tito's already gone. We got all of our boxes handled and taken care of. And cleaned up a lot of our mess here. But there's still a lot more there to get cleaned up. But now we've got family over. And we're making pizzas for dinner. And then we're going to go to the movies with Tito. So yeah. That's where we're at. That's probably it for this video. So we'll just say thanks for watching, all that fun stuff. And by the way guys, I did get a new dog. Check this out. Hey Blue, come here. Come here. Come here. Hey Blue. This is my new puppy. This is my new puppy. Hey puppy. Hey.